I'm working the football helmet.
Is it the football helmet?
Watch out.
Watch out. Is that the football helmet? What are you doing, goofball?
They call me Baby Knock.
Do that again, honey. Do it again, hon.
No.
I want to get it on the video. Daddy's disgustingly dirty classroom.
I wish I had my own.
Where are you going?
Alright, let me clean this board up.
Can you help Daddy clean up the board?
She can't move.
Can you say Baby Knock again, honey?
No.
Why, are you embarrassed?
Baby Knock. You're Baby Knock. Baby Knock.
Rachel. Say it loud again, honey.
Baby Knock.
What's Daddy doing, Rachel?
He's cleaning in the wall.
Is he cleaning the board? What are you doing?
Watch out.